Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon author page. This is for those of you who are in the collaboration books. So I'm going to share my screen. And the first thing you're going to do is go over to author.amazon.com. If you this is your first collaboration book, your first book ever with Amazon, then you're going to go over here and hit join. If you've already been in one of the collaboration books or you've published your own book, you would sign in. Once you do that, it'll ask you for your email and your password. When you join, they'll send you an email that you'll have to go into your email address and verify that it's you, and then come back here and set up your password and then sign it. It'll bring you back to this this sign in here. So once you do that, you'll get into your Amazon Author Central page. And for a collaboration book, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and down here where it says contact us, you're going to click that. You're going to go over here and click on author profile, and then click add a book. And then right here, you're going to click on I still need help. Once you click that, you're going to get two. You could call them, but we always just send an email. So you're just going to send us an email, and it's going to say, why are you contacting us? So the first thing it asks you for is the ASIN number or the ISBN number of the book. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Amazon.com. You're going to find the book that you are in, and you're going to click on it. It doesn't matter if it's the paperback or the Kindle version. You're going to scroll down to where it says product details, and you're going to find where it says ISBN number. Here we have a 10 or a 13. It doesn't matter which one you grab. So you're just going to highlight it and copy it. And then you're going to go back over to the contact us, and you're going to put that information right here on the page. The title of the book and the author name. Okay, this will be, you're just going to type in COPP, and who the author's name is on the book. Reason for adding the book, you are going to type, I am a contributing author in this book. And then you will put where your name is. If your name is on the front or the back cover, and I usually also say it's in the table of contents. So for the Unstoppable, the names are all on the front cover. So you would type in my name is listed on the front cover. You would just type back cover if your name was, a photo was on the back, and in the table of contents. Okay. Once you do that, any additional info, you just leave that, and then you just go over here and you click send message. It's that simple. In usually 24 hours, they will send you an email, and your name and your profile will be created, and your name will be added to the list of authors on the book. Once that is done, you can go back into your Amazon author page. And you can update your profile. You would go over here and you would just hit edit profile. When you do that, you can upload your photo. You can write a little biography about yourself. There's some an area over here where you can add additional media and photos and videos, and just play around with it, have some fun with it. And then this is the place when they go to the book, You'll see over here where it says follow the authors, your name will be listed here. And when they click on your name, they'll go to your author page. So that's it, easy peasy. If you have any questions, please don't feel free to reach out to me. We're here to help you. Have a great day.